Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and installing Prudence. Once done, enable keyboard access and set your default audio device. Next, open Prudence and run the built-in quick setup to import voice profiles. Make sure audio volume is comfortable, about 50%, and that you can hear prompts. Now press the configured activation key to enter navigation mode and listen for the welcome tone. This is the first actionable step that gets you into the screen reader workflow immediately. Once in navigation mode, move through elements using the arrow keys and use quick commands to announce headings, links, and tables. When encountering complex pages, switch to focus mode to interact with forms, then use Tab and Shift plus Tab to reach controls. Customize speech rate and verbosity so content flow matches your reading speed, and save those settings as a profile. Finally, assign hotkeys for frequently used apps like browser or email to speed future access and reduce repeated setup. To complete a session, use Read from Cursor to resume precisely where you left off, or Read All for full documents. While it speaks, use Pause and Skip commands to navigate faster. Export annotations or speaking logs if you need a record, and close the session via the Exit command to save settings. If audio cuts out or keys stop responding, restart Prudence, reload your saved profile, and confirm audio device selection. This single troubleshooting step resolves most interruptions and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.